Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Monday, June 8th, 2020. I'm back. I'm sorry about last week, guys. I should say I was going through something, okay? Physical, emotional, mental, all of the things. But I do appreciate you guys. I got so many emails. I want to thank you guys so much for your support and your understanding and for your emails. It was rough. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and for all the prayers and the good energy. I'm really hoping that the second half of this year is a lot easier. Because this year's been it's been pretty rough so far, right? For a lot of us. So, just know that I'm in the same boat, okay? And I will be resuming personal readings this week. Okay, so those of you waiting on a personal reading, I do apologize. I'll get on those as soon as I possibly can and get them out to you, okay? So let's go ahead and get this daily message from Spirit done. See what we got going on. Yeah. How ironic. Okay, yeah, some of us still bringing in this victim consciousness, but I do feel that this is coming up here more or less as a... some of you, it's a defense mechanism. Some of you feel really cornered right now, I feel. Some of you feel really rejected right now. So this victim consciousness is coming in to kind of push away any feelings of hurt or guilt. You know, you're just kind of like pushing it on to somebody else. It's somebody else's fault. It's the universe's fault. It's my, my parents' fault, whatever. Like, just being like, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Now, there are people who are victims. Absolutely. I mean, you can be a victim of a person. You can be a victim of circumstance. You can be whatever. Okay. But when I'm talking about victim consciousness, I'm talking about this constant feeling that you're not taking responsibility for the things that you can control, okay? Such as yourself, okay? You can't control circumstances around you. Sometimes you can't, okay? You can't control other people. No, you can't. But you can control how you react to situations. You can control how you react to adversity. If you've got somebody who's just being mean and nasty to you, okay, you have control over how you react to that. You do not have to retaliate and keep that cycle of nastiness going, okay? You can choose to be the bigger person and say, you know what, I'm not a victim. This person's obviously got issues. Let them deal with what they need to deal with, okay? And I feel like, right now, there's a lot of victim consciousness coming in. There's a lot of victim mode. There's a lot of rejection feeling, a lot of hatred coming in, okay? So we had fear at the beginning of the year. Now we have hatred coming in, okay? Which, again, is stirring the fear, okay? So fear and hate kind of go hand in hand, okay? And we've got to rise above that, guys. That's the whole point. We have to rise above that. Okay, you have to get out of that low vibration. The lower you are, the lower vibration you are, the more it's going to perpetuate. Okay, got to rise above it. All right, you've got to, you choose your destiny. You choose your path. You choose how you're going to react to situations, guys. You can choose that. You manifest your reality. Okay, stop living in someone else's reality. Okay. And I mean, that alone right there is enough, okay, to keep that motivation going, to get that vibration up, okay? I feel some of you, like, there's like this motivation to get out of this victim consciousness. Some of you are recognizing it for what it is, and you're like, you know what, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to sit here and, feel like the world has betrayed me, feel like I don't know, my parents have betrayed me, my mentors, whatever it is that's coming in, this victim consciousness, okay? Some of you is just like this overwhelming feeling of betrayal that you've been holding on to, right? And you feel like you can't release it, and it's just like brought you more and more and more disappointment over your life. And some of you are sitting here thinking about that. You're thinking about all of the things that have happened in your life that are similar to what it is that's triggering you now, and it's like keeping you in this cycle over and over and over again, the cycle of disappointment, the cycle of feeling out of control or left out in the cold. Right? But what this is this is a belief system that you have had since you were, born, I guess. But some of you, it's a past life thing. Some of you, it's something that's been perpetuated over lifetimes. Okay, and that needs to be transformed. That needs to be broken down and needs to be rebuilt. Okay. Some of you, the self-love aspect, absolutely, but just love in general. Some of you just need to bring love into the situation that you're in right now. Some of you, there's no love at all. You're looking at this literally from fear and from hate. Okay? There's no love in this situation. You need to bring love into the situation. I didn't even see this. I'm not even joking, guys. I did not even see this card. I literally just turned it over as I was saying that. Bring love into the situation. Boom. That is your message for today. Bring love into the situation and release the victim consciousness. I don't think there's anything else I need to say. Honestly, just understand that, yes, your loved ones are safe. You are safe. It's going to be okay. Okay? Energy is gaining momentum, but where you are right now, if you're in this victim mode, you're in this rejection mode, you're in this out in the cold disappointment mode, nothing is going to come of that, guys. Because you are being tested. You're being tested to see how you rise above this. So again, I love when this happens. Bring love into the situation, guys. That's the best thing you can do. Okay? All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. If this has helped, thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.